welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that like button right now. I'll give you time. You good? You do it? Okay, good. Now let's get into the tips I wish I knew before getting locks. Okay? Let's get into this now. Saving money. Hold on. Let's rewind that. Number one. Saving money. Okay? No hairdresser. Expensive styles. No wigs. I mean, if you want to put on wigs, you can put on wigs. No wigs. You don't have to get your hair done every 2 weeks. You don't even shoot. You don't even have to get your hair done every month. Come on. What you waiting on? Like, what you waiting on? Get locks now, okay? Get locks now. But I've never knew how much money I would have saved on my lock journey, okay? As somebody, I hate sitting down. I hate sitting down for long periods of time, just wasting time or waiting on getting your hair done. Or I even hate people doing my hair for a long period of time. It goes 3 months, and then when I actually do decide to go to the salon and get my hair done, it's amazing. Because you have so much free time and you're able to save so much. You don't have to spend no $400 every 2 weeks on a new wig. You don't have to shoot. You don't have to sit down and get your hair done every end of the month and spend all types of dollars. When you have locks, you have freedom. You have financial freedom. You could get your hair done, or you could wait, or you could do it yourself. Like, you have so much options. Okay, that was one of the greatest tips I learned on my lock journey. Number two, learning about products. On my lock journey, it made me so knowledgeable about products. I started doing research, learning about the different things that can damage your hair, learning about things that's good for your hair. And believe it or not, every product to me has its challenges. I was able to learn so much that I didn't know. Simple as everyday shampoo, I didn't know that could have damaged your hair. You know, so it made me a lot more knowledgeable about more products that's going in my hair. And it was actually fun to learn because hair basically grows off of the things you put in your body. And because locks just is basically tangled hair that's just combining together, it makes it so much easier because you don't have to have a bunch of products in your hair for your hair to go. You could leave it alone and it's gonna go. Like, literally, I prefer to leave it alone part. I don't style my hair often, I don't retwist often, I don't do none of that. So, you know, it's so good to know that you could just slap some oil in your hair, spray water if needed, and get out the door. You don't have to style because you could wear it. That's my favorite style, is wear it mostly all the time. But I do the cute style stage. Number three, going up, you could just get up out of the bed and go. You don't have to do your edges. You don't have to fix your hair. You could just get up and go and you still look beautiful. It's very much a time save. Like, sometimes I go into work, I just get up out of the bed, go do what I have to do, and out the door. Like, literally, like, it saves so much time. You don't have to spend all type of hours. And once your hair is tied down, neat at night and oiled if you choose, because you don't have to oil your hair that often. Like how people say you have to oil your hair. You don't have to oil your hair that often. Majority of the times, 5 times out of the week. I don't want my hair. That's bad, I know. It saves you a lot of time, okay? Like, great tips found out on my journey. 4, the shift in mindset. My mindset on my lock journey literally shift mind towards natural girl. It shift my mind towards your natural beauty. It shift my mind towards everything. Self-love. I learned more about confidence. I accepted myself for who I am. I embraced it. Because even today I can take some pictures, child. Myself for who I am. I embrace my journey. I encourage anybody, if you want to do something new, or you want to change it up, or you want to, you know, go on the journey itself and see what we're feeling, do it. You know, nothing's holding you back. Get on the journey. You're gonna love it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. But you have to know that it's time and it's patience. It takes patience to get where you at now. And when you reach there, you're gonna be like, whoa, like, when I know it was time when I watched my hair from not being able to go up in one to be able to go up in one. Like, that was such an accomplishment to me. Like I feel like it was so exciting to see, like, the different stages. All the time I would go back and look at the old videos and old pictures. Amazing to see. Like, it's literally so amazing to see. So I'm very thankful for my journey. You know, I'm thankful for my hair. I'm thankful for God just, you know, showing us that we could be natural and still love ourselves and still look beautiful. Like, that's just the bottom line. You don't have to wear wigs, you don't have to wear makeup. Like, we could be natural and still love ourselves. So that was the next tip. 5, inspiring others. Often I see why they call it a journey, because you know, most people learn from other people's experience. Journey has been inspiring many people because sometimes we choose to watch other people's journey to see exactly how it is. You know, we love to watch experiences before we actually start an experience. So to know that I can inspire somebody to actually start their locks today, to see where I was then and then to see where I am now, is amazing and makes me feel beautiful inside, because I'm actually inspiring somebody else to, you know, start the lock journey. Beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see. 6, it's beautiful to see and seeing the transformation process. To see when you're on your journey, you'll see your hair go from like little to nothing. Like, you'll see it go from little to nothing. You'll see it going from the comb coils to shrinking to popping up to doing the most. Like, my first wash was my most traumatic experience because my hair was this a stick, and when I do that first wash after I took my Faux Loc soap, it was puffing up and I didn't know what was going on. I thought it was messed up, like I always used to this. So to see it slim down from that and just start stretching out, and then to see like how the process actually works and transforms, like you'll be amazing. Like I always say, it's like a flower blooming. You have to accept it while you're in the journey. You have to accept the transformation process, because that's the best part of it. Like, it's literally the best part. Quick and easy hairstyles, okay? You could put your hair in 2, you could put your hair in 1, you could leave it out. Like, you don't spend hours and hours on getting it on a hairstyle. Like, you literally don't. Your hair looks good, retwist, your hair looks good, not twist. Like, it's quick and easy. Like, quick and easy. Trust me. This journey was the best journey for me, and I'm happy to be sharing these tips with you guys. Like, spend all day on fix my hair. That's if I fix my hair. Like, I don't spend minutes fixing my hair or hours fixing my hair. I literally could spend 2 minutes doing my hair. That's how quick and easy the hairstyles is. You can just put your hair in, like, you know. The 8, how long your hair can grow and how fast. Like, I have fussy hair, and trust me, if you have fussy hair or if you struggle with hair growth, like, you know the struggle. Like, you know the struggle. When your hair lock and you're not bothering it at all, like literally at all, it's just doing its do, your hair grows so fast. Like, my hair grow in the span of a year. I'm about to be 2 years. 2 years now, and it's already, and that's the longest my hair ever been, to be honest. And I'm 23. That's the longest my hair ever been. Like, so to see how amazing it is growing and how fast it's growing, like, I can't even believe it. I was shocked. Like, I was shocked. I thought it was just gonna stay one end, and that's me. Like, I was accepting that, but to see like how long it grow, like, that was amazing to me. Like, number 9, the education. Like, everybody hair grows different. So when you on a journey and you reading and you learning about and watching videos about people's experiences, and you seeing the different types of lock styles, and you seeing everything, like, it amazes you when you're in your journey, because you actually, it's like you feel like you own the journey with them in some kind of way, and you're educating yourself in the process. Like, it's so much different types of locks out there, to see how their process is, but all in all, it's still the same thing. Like, you're basically educating yourself. As you learn about oil, foods you eat, what affects your hair growth. Like, you're just educating yourself on a lot of stuff, you know. So that part is amazing. So if you like the knowledge and you like to do research, there's a person who's Googled everything. To me, I Googled everything. Every stage I was Googling, because I was trying to figure out what was going on. I wanted to know what was going on and make sure it wasn't messing up. I learned a lot of patience, but you don't have patience. I wait somewhere for 2 minutes and I get aggravated, like, and I sure plenty of y'all out there the same way. You have to have patience. Like, I thought when I first put it in, it was gonna be forming and everything the next 2 weeks, but it take a minute. It take a long minute, and I'm glad I went on a journey, and I would encourage anybody to start this journey. See the things that you can do while you're on your journey, to see patience it gives you, and to see that nothing happens overnight. It's like the same thing with life and accomplishing a goal. My hair was a goal, and it took patience and it took steps to get there. So I look at it as if you're accomplishing a goal. So these are all great tips to me. I don't call none of them bad. They are all great tips to me, and these are all reasons why I think anybody should get locks if they're embracing a new journey or they're taking a different path in life. I think that's going to impact in their life a lot more. So I would encourage anybody to, you know, jump on the journey, start your locks, don't quit, don't give up. If you're on your journey already and you feel like giving up, don't give up. Like, it's a lot, and when you made it past that first year, you'll be excited to tell your experience. Some people is be ashamed. You shouldn't be ashamed, but some people is be ashamed. But don't be ashamed. Share your journey with everybody. Let everybody know the great things you've learned, the bad things you've learned. Be real with yourself. You know, be real with yourself. Nobody's journey is perfect. Everybody have mistakes. Guys, so that's the end of this video. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, comment below. Tell me some great tips that you've learned on your journey. Tell me why it was good to you. Like, I want to know. So I do respond to all comments, so make sure to leave a comment. Okay, thank you so much for watching.